So my name is Francois. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Enso Connect. We are a guest experience platform for vacation rentals and boutique hotels. We started Enso Connect with a simple mission: digitize and monetize the guest experience. And one of the fundamental areas in hospitality, specifically vacation rentals, is access control, creating a seamless check-in experience. You start with this very simple problem. I want to generate codes for those guests. Today, we're dealing with north of 50,000 devices, 55 countries, with customers that might have one or two devices to customers that have 5,000 devices.
We have clients all the way from Australia to Pakistan to Colombia, and each region comes with its own kind of typical smart lock or popular smart lock providers.
So when we first started Enso, we went out and we integrated smart devices ourselves. We even brought the former CTO and co-founder of SmartThings on our board to help us understand the different connectivity types with IoT in general. And it was very hard.
Oh, it was a nightmare. I mean, every smart device operates in a different way. They all have different interfaces.
The more customers we spoke with, the more variety of devices there were, and everyone had their own integration type and limitations and so on.
We had to build custom integrations for each one of these smart devices, work around their authentication, reverse engineer APIs. You'd have to deal with a partnership manager.
When you go after 55, 60 plus countries, you start landing on Igloo, Nuki, Salto, Yale. To say it is a mess, the IoT landscape, is an understatement. I would say we were stuck. We didn't have a path. Discovering Seam was one of those aha moments in the business. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I mean, it was exactly what we were looking for, a simple API that we could integrate to have access to all of these devices in a matter of seconds.
Seam is just that kind of first-class modern developer experience that you really only see from large Silicon Valley companies, best-in-class APIs. They're really developer-friendly. And Seam has just given us this clean interface that's easy to set up, easy to use. Once we install things and once we get clients set up, we can kind of forget about it, which is the ultimate value add for us.
And it's self-serve. We don't need to get any onboarding teams involved. It's username, password, connected, set up. Enso's experience in integrating Seam is in the name. It was seamless. This team is beyond responsive. We had consistent support from the entire Seam team. I don't know every device that we are connected with because Seam keeps adding them and I can't keep to date with the amount of things that they're able to add and the speed that they're able to add. And as we continued to move upstream, the other challenge was visualizing all this. So managing that fleet of devices, which ones are running out of battery? Which ones are not connected and are having some sort of connectivity issues? Seam allowed us to white label all of this functionality in Enso Connect, allowing us to deliver more capabilities in IoT in hospitality than anyone else. What this meant from a competitive standpoint is that we could focus on our core value proposition, knowing that a fundamental piece of that is handled by a trusted partner. It allowed us to have a close rate against competition that was focused entirely on smart devices of north of 90%. And it is a moneymaker for us. Seam is like the Stripe for IoT. It's like the Twilio of IoT, or even the Shopify of IoT. If you went out and told me that you wanted to build your own payment processor, I think many companies would laugh, knowing how easy it is to start working with Stripe. If you went out and said you're gonna build your entire global SMS infrastructure from scratch, you would probably waste all of your money. Well, if you're thinking of building your entire IoT infrastructure in-house, you are making those same mistakes. You should just use Seam.